What's up? I'm Michael, and today we have a new thing that I've never done before, and I'm going to do the 3 marker challenge. Now, I don't own a single Copic marker, so I have 2 marker sets that I could pick from, and I put them into a random generator thing, and it picked the Chameleon markers. Let me make this autofocus, so maybe it will show you. I picked it picked the Chameleon markers, and it picked these 3 colors, which is Spring Meadow, or YG3. I guess that is yellow green 3. CG8, which is cool gray, I'm assuming 8, and RD4, which is crimson red, or red 4, I guess. If you don't know, Chameleon markers have 2 parts to them. They have the marker, which has a bullet nib and a brush nib, and then they have a colorless blender so you can gradient with them. I will not be using the colorless blender because I have found that I can't do it very good. I tried this before and it did not work out because I'm used to having markers that have a chisel nib on them, and this does not have a chisel nib. So I'm going to do something different, and I think I'm doing this a little bit different than what I've seen everybody else do them. So I might try to use this just to see how it works. If I can get it to work right, that'll be great, but if not, it'll be fine. So let's get started. All right, that is it. The challenge is over, and I have defeated the challenger. Okay, so I done a marker painting, and I done it with only the 3 colors. Let me make this autofocus again. I done it with only the 3 colors, and now these have the colorless blender, and I tried it. The gray is the only one that worked. I don't like the whole gimmick of the chameleon thing, the blender in it. That, to me, it's absolutely a gimmick. For me, I want to have the color and be able to layer with it, and thankfully the green layered beautifully. You can see it here. It really did layer beautifully. Let me even zoom in for you just slightly, and I figured out before I done this that if you lay down the red and then you put the green over it, it will make it somewhat brown looking. So I tried to do that, and I tried to add the gray in, and it worked. It worked out. The belly and all, it has the texture that I want. It's not the best look, but hey, with just 3 markers, I created a piece of artwork. I'm very happy with this. I absolutely love this, that I was able to do this, and I'm happy I accepted the challenge finally. I might actually get back into painting with markers again. I'm not like a lot of people who do the marker art where they go in and they do the cartoon style or something like that. I really didn't want to do that and copy everybody else. And it says it's the 3 marker challenge, so I consider a pen that you do art with a marker, basically. So I didn't want to do that. I didn't want to use any pencils. I didn't want to use my Prisma White or anything like that. I just wanted to use the 3 markers. So challenge accepted, challenge defeated. I will be trying some more challenges. I might do the same challenges over and over. I might go through and just randomly pick one each month and do it. We'll go with that and see how it works out. But for now, I will see you later. I am Michael. Y'all have a great day, and see you later.